Good morning, children. Today I will teach you about nervous system. Nervous system is the system which is the control center of all the systems of your body. Because all the systems are controlled by the nervous system, each and every organ and each and every activity of your body is controlled by the nervous system. The organs associated with nervous system are the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. The brain is the most important organ of the nervous system. The brain is the control center or the master organ of your body because it controls all the organs and all the activities of your body. The brain is located inside the head and it is protected by the skull because the brain is very soft and delicate organ. The brain receives and sends messages through nerves which are present all over the body. The brain is divided into three parts. It has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and the medulla. First, I will tell you about cerebrum. Cerebrum is that part of the brain which enables us to think, speak and also to remember things. Our memory is controlled by this part called cerebrum. The second part is cerebellum. Cerebellum helps us to move. It controls all the movements of the body. And the third part is medulla. Medulla controls our heartbeat and our breathing. The second part of the nervous system or the second organ of the nervous system is the spinal cord. Spinal cord is present inside the spine. It is attached to the brain and from brain it is going down to the hip region and it is protected by the spine or the backbone. The spinal cord is a group of many millions of nerves. The function of the spinal cord is to send messages to the brain and it receives messages from the nerves present all over the body. The third part of the nervous system are the nerves. Nerves are very fine thread-like structures present all over our body. There are millions of nerves present all over body. See this, these thread-like structure present all over the body are the nerves. The function of the nerves is to send and receive messages to the brain. The nerves receive messages from the brain through the spinal cord and then they send it to different parts of the body. All the sensations in our body, the sensation of pain, heat, cold, all these are controlled by the brain and these sensations are from the brain are carried to the nerves to different parts of the body. So I'll explain it once more. Nervous system is the control center of the body. The nervous system controls all the other organs of the body and all the other organ systems of the body. The three main organs of the nervous system are the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. The brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and the medulla. Cerebrum enables us to think, to speak and it also takes care of the memory. Whatever we want to remember, it is controlled by the cerebrum. Cerebellum controls all the actions and movements of the body and it also maintains the balance of your body. The medulla controls the heartbeat and the breathing. The spinal cord is a group of nerves. It is present inside the spine. It is connected to the brain and it is going down to the hip region. The nerves are thread-like structures present all over our body. There are millions of nerves present in the body and the function of the nerves is to send and receive messages from the brain. Thank you.